Hi, I'm Alp Akdeniz, Head of Technical Solutions at FP&A Automation. If you're watching this video, you and your team are likely struggling with a very manual consolidation planning process and having difficulty turning your ERP data into actionable insights. At FP&A Automation, we help finance and operational leaders build planning and reporting solutions on the Microsoft platform. Leveraging Power BI for analytics, as well as Acterys turning Power BI into a writeback solution tool, our experts work with your team to connect your existing ERP with familiar Microsoft tools, creating a single source of truth for finance, sales, and operations planning. Our approach helps you align plans across different departments and enables real-time analysis, resulting in faster planning cycles for your company, more accurate forecasts, and better decision-making. Let me show you an example of what's possible with your data leveraging Power BI and Acterys together for analytics and planning. Right here we have an example of a financial planning solution. With this example right here, we're able to do things like visual planning, where we can take down our net profit by a certain amount utilizing the drag and drop options right here, powered by Acterys. Saving these results right here, we're able to change our entire model, giving not only ourselves a new look at our financials that we're forecasting, but also giving our team members and company an updated look as we're making these changes. We can also do things like being able to change our existing numbers right here, such as being able to take this number up by a certain percentage point and saving our results. In addition to this, what we're also able to do is we're also able to add commentary. We can add comments in order to be able to keep track of all the changes that we're making across our planning process. This is not only comments that we're making, but also our other team members are making currently within Power BI, since we're all working off of the same platform, consolidating the data. In addition to this, one thing we've heard constantly from managers as well as admins is knowing when a planning process is complete. Leveraging the Power Acterys table visuals, we're able to keep track of statuses and change statuses as new plans get completed by different team members. This is truly a one-stop shop ecosystem for all these various different features here. We'd love to talk to you about how you can get the most out of your Microsoft Power Platform. Thanks for watching, and this is Alp Akdeniz with the FP&A Automation team signing out.